In this video, I will show you how to install Grammarly on your device, which is in this video here. I use Samsung Galaxy 50. Well, on the Android, Grammarly is what it sounds like the input method for your keyboard. When you typing things, it will correct the word for you, especially when you're going to send an email to your friend, to your work. It will correct the word that you're typing in very easily. Well, this app is make my life a lot more easier in writing some email, in writing something that in English, as you know that I am not a native English speaking. Now let's have a look how to install this application on your mobile device. First of all, you have to open up your Google Play and then search for the Grammarly. So Grammarly app will be another keyboard app that excels like keyboard to get an input from you and try to correct that. Actually, this will make my life a lot easier when I have to type in things in English. Now let's click on the install button to start downloading and install this app on your device. So basically the download size is 100 something megabyte, which is a lot compared to the other keyboard apps that I used earlier time. But I would not recommend this to somebody who got a low capacities on your device. But in this case, in my case here, I got 128 gigabyte of memory, so I have a plenty of memory to do so. So just click on the open button. To open, it's going to take you to this page here. Then you're going to click on the get start, and right here I try to connect this with my Google account, as you know that I do not have Facebook accounts. Anyway, let's see what happened to this one. Clicks on this and it say I'm going to use the choose the accounts. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to log in there. So what it say? It say okay, it's good here. Right now what you're gonna do is you click on add Grammarly keyboard, and you're going to enable this button here. You see that Grammarly is still not enabled, but I have a few of the keyboard on my system here, so I'm going to enable this. And if say attention, Grammarly may be able to collect all the text you input, including personal data such as password and credit card numbers. So we're going to use this, right? So it's okay. I do not have a lot of money in my account, so I don't care if anyone going to take my money, because you're not going to even buy something much. Okay, fine. So I click OK with that. And the other alert box will say after your phone restart, you need to unlock your phone before you can use this app. So click OK with that, and it will take you into this. All right, let me see that if we can do anything on here. Let's switch input method. You will see that I got keyboard man is as you know that I am Thai, so I have to use this one is very cool on me, so I use this very long time. So you have to switch your input keyboard. As you know that Grammarly is the input keyboard extensions on the system. Now I click on this one, so you see that is showing up like this, is all working, and then I click got it. It's going to show you this sort of thing right here. Okay, so it means your system is up and running. Let's go back, and we're going to do some, let me say I'm going to write some email on here. See that this is so you see the little green button things here spin around. This is pink, so they got something on here. Pink is something, but let's say third. So it's going to correct this, and it's saying that there's something typo, or maybe not pass spell check. It's just something spell check, right? Okay, and let me say I do admit. So it's going to say that it's going to correct it for me. See, this is the right. This is right. I'll say right there. So actually, it doesn't do anything much, and all right. So it will correct word for me. They're good. They're very good helping. All right. Now you can see that my keyboard family is working already, and you can even use this on your web browser as well, but that will be a little so working though. What I'm going to do now is, if you do want to uninstall that, so one day you don't want that, all right, you want to uninstall that, the method for this is very easy. But before you're going to get to uninstall, ask yourself that you're going to uninstall that, you have to go to setting first to change the input method for your device. Go to general input method. So let's see, where is my default keyboard, right? You see that it's Grammarly right here. I click on this and I change to main keyboard as I used to have one, and see if I going back, right? You see that my keyboard had come back already, right? My Thai keyboard is come back already. Okay, so by this, when you see this, you can just tap on here and then you click on uninstall, and that will be all. Clicks OK, and that will be uninstalled for you. Okay, so that will be installed and uninstalled, and how to a little bit use the Grammarly app on your mobile phone, which is nice. I believe that there's something working on it, and you can read the review from the people. See, if you just only scroll down here, I know, just scroll down here and see that if you go down here, you see some see all reviews. You see that mostly is a positive review, and they got 4 stars. There's some 2 stars right here, and 2 stars right here, and 3 stars, 3 stars, 1 star. Somebody doesn't make it. It doesn't work for them, so they're not happy to use that. So it's just a thing, right? Okay, that's enough for this video, and hopefully you learned something from this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next video.